Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to replace ball joints on a Dodge Ram 1500. First, ensure you have all the right tools, including a ball joint press, and prioritize safety with jack stands and gloves. Begin by loosening the lug nuts, then safely raise your truck and secure it. Remove the wheel, followed by the brake caliper and rotor, to gain clear access to the steering knuckle assembly. This preparation is crucial for a smooth replacement process. Now that you have access, it's time to remove the old ball joints. First, you'll need to separate the upper and lower ball joints from the steering knuckle. This often requires a ball joint separator tool or a few well-placed hammer strikes. Once separated, use your ball joint press to carefully push out the old ball joints from their respective control arms. Remember to clean the bores thoroughly to ensure a proper fit for the new components. Hey everyone, if you're finding this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more DIY content. And speaking of staying on top of things, especially during a tough job like this, remember to stay hydrated. Quick recommendation: the Oala water bottle is fantastic for keeping your drinks cold. Check the description below for a link to grab one and find other great deals. Now, let's get back to the video. With the old ball joints out and the bores clean, it's time for installation. Carefully press the new upper and lower ball joints into the control arms using your ball joint press. Ensure they are seated correctly and fully. Next, reattach the steering knuckle to the new ball joints, securing them with their castle nuts and cotter pins. Finally, torque all nuts and bolts to the manufacturer's exact specifications for safety and proper function.
Thanks for watching, stay juicy, and subscribe.